Jai Sriman-Narayana. 27th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Uchchaisravasam asvanam viddhimam amrutodbhavam ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम् ॐ Enjoy Sri Krishna Paramatma's spark in each and every entity. Also enjoy Krishna Paramatma's higher amount of spark in the horse called Uchchaisravasam. When you hear about that horse, remember Sri Krishna Paramatma. And when you hear about the elephant called as Airavatam, remember Sri Krishna Paramatma's higher amount of effulgence in that elephant. When you see the leaders, kings, presidents, prime ministers, remember Krishna Paramatma's higher amount of spark in those people. Because of that they became kings. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma seriously asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, whenever I get to hear the name Uchchaisravasam of a horse, and whenever I hear the name Airavatam the elephant, I shall definitely think of your higher amount of spark in those entities. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, whenever I see the leaders of the community, presidents, prime ministers, kings, I shall definitely remember that because of your higher amount of effulgence in them, they became kings and presidents and the leaders. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely enjoy your spark in each and every entity. Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupētamapētakrutyam dvaipāyano virahakātara ājuhāva putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 137th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Yasoda Devi now thinking of tying Sri Krishna. She doesn't know that Atatvirya Kovida. She doesn't know that Krishna is Sakshat Parabrahma. She doesn't realize that Krishna is not a small boy who is being present right in front of her eyes. Krishna is something different. Nachantarna bahiryasya na purvam na apicha param purva param bahischa ಅಂತರ್ಜಗತೋ ಯೋ ಜಗಚ್ಚಯಃ. వెలిలోను మొదలు తుది నడుమలు లేక జగంబు తుదియు మొదలున్నడుమన్ వెలియున్లో నగు ఈశ్వరున్ అలవడునే కట్ట ప్రణతురాల్గాకున్నన్. Who is this Krishna? He is the one who doesn't have beginning, middle and ending. Such Sriman Narayana is this Sri Krishna, who is all over and who doesn't have any difference like inside, outside. Such differences are not there with this Parabrahma who is Sri Krishna. And we cannot say this side or that side. There is no such thing to this Sri Mahavishnu. That Sri Mahavishnu is this Sri Krishna, the one who is all over throughout all the worlds, the beginning, middle, ending, everywhere, everything of this, all these worlds is Narayana. That Narayana is this Sri Krishna, the one who cannot perceived by our knowledge. That is Adhokshaja. That Adhokshaja is this Sri Krishna. But he is now being perceived by the love of Mother Yasoda Devi. He is now getting ready to be tied by Yasoda Devi, the one who cannot be perceived by even great enlightened Brahmarshis. Now is getting ready to be tied by Yasoda Devi, who is impossible to be perceived by Brahmarshi is now becoming possible to Yasoda Devi. Like that Sri Sukayogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 27th sloka. Uchchaishravasamasvanam Vidhimam Amrutodbhavam ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम् उच्चैश्रवसमस्वानां विद्धि माम् अमृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम् श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।